How's it going, everybody? A question that I have gotten asked recently. My home insurance went up in 2023. Will it increase again in 2024? The short answer is yes. So why are rates going to continue to increase? There isn't just one reason. It's many different interconnected factors. So in this video, I'll give you 5 of those. First is inflation and the rising repair and replacement costs. Inflation has increased the cost of everything, which includes the repairs and replacement costs for your home, which can obviously impact insurance rates. And if the rate of inflation continues to persist where it's at, insurance rates are going to continue to go up as well. Second is severe weather and natural disasters. There's been a huge increase recently with the amount and the severity of severe weather events and natural disasters. Hurricanes, wildfires, storms all lead to more and higher insurance claims. And this trend is a significant factor in driving insurance rate increases. Now you might think, especially here if you live in Michigan, there's no natural disasters here. How does that impact my rates? Why? Many insurance companies write all over the country. So when there's natural disasters or severe weather in one region, those insurance carriers need to pull from their entire collective reserves and premiums they've collected over the years in order to pay claims and remain financially stable. The third reason is a more complex factor in this entire process, and it deals with reinsurance costs. Now, this will be a very brief overview of reinsurance, but that said, insurance companies buy insurance on their insurance, and this is called reinsurance. They do this to protect themselves from large-scale losses due to catastrophic events. So when insurance carriers in those disaster-prone areas and regions have these massive losses, the cost of reinsurance goes up. Because every insurance company buys reinsurance, these increased costs for the insurance companies get passed down to consumers. And again, this impacts everyone nationwide in areas like Michigan that may be less disaster-prone. This is part of the reason why your costs will go up as well. Then there's labor shortage and material costs. There's a huge labor shortage in the construction industry right now. And add in that the cost of building materials is continuing to go up. So the cost to rebuild properties is much higher when there's any sort of property damage, which makes claims more expensive, and then in turn will make rates more expensive as well. Lastly, the insurance market as a whole goes through cycles, just like any other sort of economic market. It varies between soft and hard market phases. Right now, the entire insurance market has been in a hard market for a little while and is going to continue to be in one. Insurance companies are increasing premiums, reducing the amount of coverage they offer, and most importantly, becoming much more selective in their appetite for who they actually offer coverage to. Those that have had claims in the past or are in claim-prone areas, it'll be much more difficult to find insurance at a reasonable rate. Given all these factors, I would expect your rate to increase again in 2024. However, the actual amount that rate will change is going to vary on many different factors like location, the specifics of your property, your insurance score, and just broader market conditions as a whole for that area. So what can you do to potentially mitigate these increases? First, you can consider increasing your deductibles. I know not everyone likes to do that, but that is one option to bring premium down a little bit. You could look into discounts. Make sure that your home and auto insurance is together with the same insurance company if that's possible. Almost every insurance company out there offers a pretty significant discount if both your home and auto insurance are with that company. So make sure you're taking advantage of the multi-policy discounts that are offered. I'll also add, working with an independent agent can make things easier. We have access to multiple carriers, so we can look across the board at many different companies to make sure that you're getting the best rate possible. So if we can help with your home insurance, any other type of insurance, please feel free to reach out. Would love to see if we can work together. Thanks a lot.